This is a review of the Mooni G7MO1TAKE, which is a Takeme outdoor solar light, which is called an orange because the handle is orange. In the box, you'll find the lantern itself and a brief instruction manual. I do want to point out that the solar panel on top is covered with a film that you should remove before you begin to charge the batteries. The lid unscrews and removes the solar panel, and what you have left is two pieces, the solar panel top and the empty container. If you're in an area where there's a lot of high wind and you don't want this to blow around or get kicked around, you can set a couple of small rocks in there or some sand and add some weight to it. At the bottom here you'll find a switch that turns the lamp off and on. There's still a power switch on the outside, which I'll show in a second. There are 4 bright LEDs inside, and there's a battery that is replaceable. It's a 18500 1000 milliampere lithium battery with an output of 3.2 volts. It is replaceable. Fully charged is for about 8 hours sitting in the bright sunlight. It's ready for action. You can turn this on, and it really won't come on until it's dark outside. See a USB output port. You can plug in your cable there that goes with your smartphone, for example, and plug the other end in your smartphone, and in that case you're using this battery to charge your smart device. In addition, if you want to turn the lamp off, for example, and you're going someplace and it's on at nighttime, you can touch this little touch-sensitive spot here and it turns the light off and on. You do have this strap to carry it with. Also, it's nice if you want to put a little string or rope on it to hang it in a tent or to hang it on a branch of a tree. That would be a nice little addition to this lamp. You can see I'm in a room that's totally dark. If I were to turn off the lights, turn off this lamp, you couldn't see anything. And you can see this lamp, it's lit up. I did that by touching this little control on the side here. And if you touch it off and on, it's just a touch-sensitive switch. To be honest with you, the light in the video is actually brighter than it is in real life by a little bit. It's not that overwhelming of a bright light. It's more of a kind of an ambiance light if you're sitting at a picnic table and it's dawn or dusk, or you're in a tent, or if you want to sit on the beach and have a little light. It's a nice accessory. It's nice that it charges with the sunlight and the solar panels built in. That way you can have it charged during the day and use it in the evening. Well, I like this light. I'm going to give it a 4-star. The reason for that is it's not tremendously bright, and I think that it needs to have at least 2 or 3 different intensities on it that if we could ramp through so that it would be dim, medium, and bright, and perhaps the upper level should be better than what it is right now. This review is done by jjceo. I'd like to tell you I received a sample for test and evaluation, and I promise to give a fair and honest review.